If you're in the market for a set of noise-cancelling headphones, the choices were pretty simple. You either buy these, or you buy these. But they've both been dethroned. The new king, the Apple AirPods Max. They do come in green, they come in red, they come in blue, they come in white and silver, and of course the ones you see here. And in addition, if you don't like the colour of the ear cushions, you can also purchase a separate pack. Or you can mix and match the colours, whatever takes your fancy really. So here I've got obviously the black and the red cushions, so we can put together a bit of a theme. Knock yourself out. It ain't going to change the quality of the headphones, but it may change the way you view the look of them. Anyhow, these things here, $99, bit of a rip-off. It is the Apple tax. This here, $8.99, as evidenced by the sticker below. And I seem to, in an un-Apple-esque fashion, have a box which is slightly indented, slightly odd-shaped. Anyhow, shouldn't affect the contents of what is inside. So let's open it up, and as per every single Apple product, you have a little tab on the top here, so we can easily open it up without the need for any kind of knife. That satisfying moment. And lid off. You can smell it. You could definitely smell. I'm not sure if I like the smell or not, but wow, it's definitely got a new car interior smell. Okay, so on the top we've of course got our little bit of paper. Let's just get this off. And there we have our headphones in the handbag case. It's freaking awful. What were they thinking? It is terrible. It's got a very smooth, slimy texture to it, but hey, it's the best we've got at the moment. There are some third-party options available though, so I'm definitely going to check out one of those later on. But let's get rid of the little cardboard cups on the side, and there we have our headphones. And as others have reported, they are very cold to touch on this side. The aluminium or aluminum, depending on where you come from. And I must admit, when you first take a look at these headphones, they appear a lot smaller, I think, than the pictures would have them credit. But hey, they're pretty cool. I mean, the part I really do like is the mechanism for extending out the headphones. They're pretty cool there. They're nice and tight, but they've just got that give. You just know they're not going to change when they're on your head. And of course the band, very soft. And look, everyone complains about how heavy these things are, but they're not. They're not really that heavy. Look, if you're going to have them on for 10 hours a day, you're probably going to worry about your hearing more than the weight of these things. But of course, you can also just pop the cups out, as you can see here, since we have a second set of AirPods Max Cushions. I had to look it up actually. Let's crack them open and, well, let's have a look at exactly what we see there really. So let's open it up. Peel that. Lovely. And inside, well, exactly what we paid for. Nothing really exciting. Right, left. And let's just take these ones off. Our left, snap that on. And of course our right, snap that on. And now we have a totally unique, not really, got a 1 in 25 chance of getting this, but we've got a totally different set of headphones than the original. Oh, and now I can't hear a thing. Now the one thing I really like about these headphones, I'm going to switch them into transparency mode here so I can actually hear what I'm saying, but is the responsiveness. When you turn that digital crown back and forth you can see straight away on my phone, it is instant up and down. It is super quick. It's really cool. Okay, we've got a couple of options here. Do we want Siri to announce our messages? Well, I'm going to say no on that one. Do we want to set up spatial audio? Hell yeah. Spatial audio is one of those things where it's going to sound like the audio is three-dimensional. It's coming from all around. So if you're watching a movie, say, where there's bullets flying or cars coming from behind you straight through, you're going to hear those sounds coming from behind or overhead like a plane or a helicopter. It's really, really cool. Make sure you turn it on. It sounds great. So we're going to rotate our head to the left and right. Left, right. That's just stereo. It sounds normal. So let's turn on the spatial audio. Wow. Let's turn it up a bit. And it's really cool because now when I'm turning my head, it doesn't really matter. The audio source is still sounding like it's coming from over here when I'm turning this way. And when I turn this way, it sounds like it's coming from over here. It's really, really cool. Make sure you give this feature a go because you're going to love it, spatial audio. So let's turn it on for supported videos. All right, now we're ready to go. Let's click done. And we're cooking with the best set of noise cancelling headphones that you can get in a consumer brand. These things are brilliant. So let's get outside and test them.
Seriously, are you going to come do it? Do I have to do it? Are you going to come and pack the dishwasher? No, serious. Oh, honey, do you want to...
I heard that. So there you have the world's best noise cancelling headphones. Without a doubt, these things are amazing. They block out all noise, including your partner. But it also has a really good transparency mode as well for when you just need to hear those special moments. So go out and grab yourself a pair. These are terrific. Best headphones on the market. If you can afford them, the Apple tax and all, they are great. Anyway, go get them and don't forget to subscribe. This is a terrific channel. I keep saying that. You need to subscribe. Click the thing and the other bit and then come back, tell your friends and all that stuff. And we will see you in the next video. You have a wonderful day. I heard that. That's me just talking, Bobby. Oh. So there you have the world's best noise cancelling headphones, which also comes with a really great, oh fuck, what's the thing called? What's it called? Transparency mode. There you go, hang on. What was that line that I used earlier?
No idea.
And an awesome transparency mode. What am I fucking saying? I gotta listen to your shit, it's funny.
Honey, are you going to come do these dishes now or not? If you don't come and do these dishes now, I am going to resort.
So there you have the world's best noise-cancelling headphones for when you just want to be left alone. But when those special moments do occur, I can't even say occur. I need help. So there we have the world's best fucking headphones.
Seriously, if you don't come and do these dishes, I'm going to resort to drastic measures.
You sounded a lot grumpier in rehearsal. There was a line I used that I really liked, and I forgot what it is.
Can't you look it up?
I'll have to go upstairs, and I really can't be bothered.
Honey, are you going to come do the dishes or not? Or are they just going to do themselves? Every time we get an Apple product, this is what you do. Are you going to come do the dishes or not? Ah.
They say it has a transparency mode that's frightfully good. And might I say, they've completely changed my life.
No, they haven't.
What?
They haven't transformed.
But that was until these new noise-cancelling kings came out, the Apple AirPods. Are they worth it? Yeah, they are. I'm going to tell you up front they are. And largely because of the awesome noise cancellation